spaghetti bolognese. So pretty easy to do. It's always going to cook up heaps because you only can buy mince in like 500 gram lots from the supermarket, so it'll do me for tomorrow night as well. So that's one of the handy things of cooking on the road, is I can get a couple of meals out of it. So like my lamb, I had lamb sandwiches today, and yeah, so let's get started. Just going to start by chopping up some onion. Okay, let's light this up. So I found some spray oil. It was in the food box from the tinny last weekend, so that's handy. Put some water on for the pasta. Just grab some water. So I do have water on the van, but I mainly use that water in the tanks for washing up, and I just buy bottled water for drinking. So there we go, got the pan sizzling. Onion, got some bolognese mince, which is beef and pork. Just adds a little bit more flavour to it. Got some mushrooms, as I said last night, or this morning. We had some mushrooms in our breakfast. So mushrooms are going in dinner as well. Some diced tomatoes. Going to use some of the leftover gravy as well that we had last night. It's red wine and garlic, so that'll always go well in a bolognese. Put some mince in. Gonna chuck that in the bin. Don't you love just being out in the outdoors cooking? I do. Brown the mince off. Grab a bowl so when it's ready, some mushrooms in. As I said, this is going to do me for a few dinners. Throw that in the bin. Keep that on the fire. It's looking good. And some bolognese sauce with bacon, chunky tomato and herbs. Cut the seal. Pour that in. A little bit of water in that. The bin, give that a stir around. It's probably got enough liquid in there at the moment, so we'll let that simmer away. I probably don't need the diced tomatoes. But the pasta's almost ready, so turn that one down, let it simmer. Give it a good stir. Come back, throw this pasta on. Cheers. So that's reducing down beautifully, thickening up. And we'll just put the water back on, so we'll get that back up to the boil and throw some pasta in. Beautiful. Throw a lid on that just so it doesn't get too dried out. Always the last place you look. More stir. And a bit of pasta. That'll do. I'll put that away and I can use that later. So we'll leave that cook and we'll come back, dish it up. There we go. So the pasta's all cooked, and the bolognese is simmered beautifully, so I might take that off, and it's time to dish up. So we can turn that off, and let's plate up. One thing I didn't bring with me was Parmesan cheese, but anyway, it's a long way to the shops. So some beautiful bolognese sauce on my pasta. So there we go, bolognese sauce, pasta, and I'm going to go sit by the fire and enjoy that. Take my, spilled a bit. That's good. Just a bit of a clean up. There we go. Pasta, bolognese, and a nice glass of red. Cheers everyone. Beautiful, yummy dinner. And I can have it tomorrow night too.